Bumper car A, that's 340 kilograms going east, collides with the rear of car B, which has a velocity a little bit, must be going slower. 2.4 meters per second east. Okay, so let's draw a picture here. I have no chance at this without a good picture. Okay, so let's see. So here's bumper car A. Whoop. I'm going to make east to the right. So A is 340. Here's A. How do we mark it? It is A. Here's A. And going east, okay, so it's going to the right. The rear of collides with this velocity. It's also going east. Okay, so here's B, and B is 550. And we happen to know this guy is going 2.4 meters per second east, but I guess we don't know this velocity. Okay. So after the collision, car A is going to the west, so it's going backwards. Okay. I'm trying to draw bumper cars here. I really should have taken an art class. Okay, so A is still probably 340, right? And notice it's going to the west, so it's going to have a velocity of negative 1.2. So this is east or positive. Is that right? Yeah. And west is negative. We live on the negative east coast. Okay. Okay, so let's see. And then B is going, B is really going fast to the east. So 550. Here's B, and V is going super fast this way. And since it's to the east, we'll make that positive. Okay, so this is V equals, we don't know this velocity. Okay, let's see. I think that's the picture. Let's just double check. This guy hits this guy. It's got to be going faster than 2.4, right? Okay. Okay. All right, I think we're ready to go. Okay, so we're going to go 340 V plus 550 times 2.4 equals 340. Here's the key. Here's the thing that maybe you missed. There's a little detail. It's got to be negative 1.2 because it's to the west. Plus 550. Okay, so I think we are ready for maths. Okay, I'm going to do this side here. I'm going to go 340 times negative 1.2 plus 550 times 5.4. And I get 2562. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to subtract this term. So I'm going to go minus 550 times 2.4. And now I've got what equals 340V. So if I divide by 340, how did I get the right answer? Okay. So when I solve that for V, I get 3.6529 meters per second. Now, the fact that I've got a positive number here means that this is to the right or east, right? I guess we'd have to round it to 3 sig figs, so 3.65. Actually, only 2 sig figs. These have only 2 sig figs, right? 3.65 meters per second. I'm going to go with 3, though, out of habit. All right.